Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of the Honor X50i and all you need to know about its LCD replacement. Whether you're a dedicated Honor user or just curious about this device, you're in the right place. The Honor X50i is a sleek and stylish smartphone, offering a perfect blend of performance and design. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset, ensuring smooth and efficient operation for all your daily tasks from multitasking to gaming. The 6.5-inch display is a standout feature, providing crisp visuals that make your photos, videos, and apps come to life. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty LCD replacement. The Honor X50i uses 6.5-inch LCD display, which is known for its excellent color reproduction and wide viewing angles. This makes it an ideal screen for various multimedia activities. And fortunately, accidents happen. If you find yourself in a situation where your display needs replacing, it's essential to know your options. When it comes to replacing the LCD screen, there are several factors to keep in mind to ensure you make the best choice. 1. Cost. Prices for LCD replacement can vary significantly. It's essential to shop around and compare prices between different service providers. However, remember that the cheapest option isn't always the best. Look for a service that balances quality and affordability. 2. Warranty. If your Honor X50i is still under warranty, be cautious about where you go for repairs. It's advisable to use authorized repair services to avoid voiding your warranty. Additionally, some repair shops offer their own warranty on replacement parts. This coverage can provide peace of mind in case of future issues. 3. Quality. Not all replacement screens are created equal. High-quality screens will not only restore your phone to its original state, but will also ensure longevity. Look for services that use OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts, or equivalent quality screens. Checking customer reviews can also help gauge the reliability of a service provider. 4. Professional service. While DIY repairs might seem tempting, it can be risky. Unless you're experienced, it's often best to leave repairs to professionals. Authorized repair centers have the tools and expertise needed to replace the screen without further damaging the device. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on tech-related content. Stay tech-savvy, and I'll see you in the next video.